So today we are going to be reviewing how to use the same strategies for a division equation. So this is going to be for division. We are going to start with the arrays. So with the array, I'm going to start with the equation 20 divided by 5. Now if you remember when we do this array in a multiplication equation, the second number tells you how many goes across. So I'm going to do that right now with the 5. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can put a little 5 right there. I'm going to keep counting until I get to 20. And as I do that, I'm going to line up my x's with the ones that are in front. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I stop at 20 because my dividend is 20. Now I count how many of my x's go down. This is what I mean. Remember when we did the multiplication part and I asked them to put the numbers on top of the x's and on the sides? That is exactly what I want them to do here. So as you can see, I have 4 rows of x's going down. So I know that 20 divided by 5 equals 4. And that is how we solve a division equation using the array strategy. Now, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use the equal groups strategy. The same equation, 20 divided by 5 equals. Now in this one, I tell them that they have to use the smaller number. So this is the divisor. And they're going to draw that many circles. So I'm going to draw 5 circles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, they are going to have to divide or split the 20 between the 5 circles. So they need to go one at a time. They need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I stop at 20 because that is my big number. That's how many I have to split between the 5 circles. Now I need to count how many did each circle get. So I'm only going to count 1 because I want to know how many circles each got something, the tallies. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Each circle got 4 tallies. So this is how you solve a division equation using the equal groups and array strategy. Thank you for watching.